How much water does pasta absorb when it is cooked? How much water will dry semolina pasta absorb when it is properly cooked? For example, how much water would 1 pound of farfalle or spaghetti absorb? I am guessing the shape of the pasta doesn't matter, just the absolute weight. I am not looking for how much water is required to boil it, nor what temperature is required, just how much should be absorbed. I like my pasta cooked a minute or so past the box, al dente, stage. The application is single burner cooking, I only have one available. I can make the sauce, then add additional water and pasta to cook directly in the sauce, making for only one burner being required, and only a single pot to clean. I understand the actual amount will require due to the vagaries of how much evaporates, but I expect that to be a minor adjustment.
You need 1.1x as much water as pasta for al dente. I measured this myself, cooking penne rigate, in water, not sauce. 200 grams of pasta weighed 420 grams after being cooked and thoroughly drained. The estimate below from the nutrition facts is 1.4x, which probably corresponds to typical American overcooked pasta, a surprisingly large difference from mine. I'm guessing you'll be somewhere between, maybe 1.25x. You can also ballpark it from nutrition facts. Cooked spaghetti, see link. 1. Has 31 grams carbs per 100 grams pasta, and dry spaghetti, see link. 2. Has 75 grams carbs per 100 grams pasta. So 100 grams dry pasta turns into 100 grams asterisk 75/31 equals 242 grams of cooked pasta, meaning the added water was approximately 1.4x the weight of the pasta. So for a pound of pasta, that's 1.4 pounds or about 2 2/3 cups of water. Given people's tastes, this might be a little past al dente, so I would personally start with maybe 1.25 cups of water, then add a little more if necessary. I'll also try cooking pasta normally and weighing it if I get a chance. Note: if you have a significantly different variety of pasta, it will obviously behave differently. This is for pasta that's 13% protein and 75% carbohydrates. For the standard 2 ounces 56g, dry, serving on the package, it'll say 7 grams protein and 41 to 42 grams carbohydrates. I checked Barilla, DeCecco, Ronzani, Garofalo, Safeway store brand, Trader Joe's store brand, and those nutrition facts, and they all matched. If you're branching out to other styles like whole grains or egg noodles, things will obviously change, but things are very uniform in the US.